So how is someone using asparagus to repair spinal cords? Well, to understand this, we need to understand how the spinal cord first develops. See, when you begin as an embryo, you've got these stem cells, these undifferentiated cells that are told with chemicals to turn into neural tissue, and then through very complex and nuanced signaling, slowly grow out their connections to go to the right place. But after that's done, if there's damage, like during an accident to the spinal cord, having them grow back in exactly the right location and direction is really, really difficult, if not impossible. Instead, it's just going to kind of go off because the chemical signals are no longer there like they were during development. Cue the asparagus. This biophysicist in Ottawa suddenly noticed, hey, these stalks of asparagus have these capillaries for water transport that look an awful lot like neural pathways in the spinal cord. And he reasoned if we cleaned out the asparagus and left just those capillaries, we could use them as guides for the neurons to get back to where they need to be. And so far in animal studies, it looks like it's working. When they remove the broken section of spinal cord and put the asparagus in, the neurons are tending to grow back and reconnect to the right place. Then you remove the asparagus husk and you're left with a functional, reconnected spinal cord. Whether this translates into humans, only time will tell, but it's really cool research.